This is a demonstration of how I service my Levoit Core 200S-P Smart Air Purifier and check my replacement filter when the check filter indicator turns on. And as specified in the manual, when the filter indicator turns on, that doesn't necessarily mean that the filter needs to be replaced, but only that it should be checked for serviceability. Equipment list: a shop vac with a soft brush extension, a small bungee cord, and a user manual. Step 1. Unplug the air purifier and bind the power cord with a small bungee cord, ensuring that it's not plugged in. Step 2. Disassemble the air purifier by laying it down, and then remove the air filter cover and then the air filter. Step 3. Inspect the air filter to determine if it needs to be replaced. A simple metric is that if the filter is a light color or close to the original color, that's most likely still a good filter and doesn't need to be replaced. This is a filter that triggered the check filter indicator, and upon inspection, it's both light and close to the original color. So this is an example of what I consider to be a good filter that most likely won't need to be replaced. In contrast, another simple metric is that if the filter is a dirty brown, gray, or dark color, or completely lost its original color, then it's a bad filter which needs to be replaced. This is an originally white filter from my other air purifier, and upon inspection, it's clear that under the dust and dander, the color has changed to a dirty, brownish color. And I confirmed this after I vacuumed it with my shop vac. Even though it still worked my air purifier after I cleaned it and cleared the check filter indicator, I replaced it with a new filter as soon as the replacement arrived. It's important to understand that the dirty brown and dark color means that the filtration fibers are saturated and have reached the end of their lifespan. Using bad filters can strain and damage the air purifier motor, reduce airflow, and make the air purifier less effective at eliminating pollutants. And I recommend Google AI as a reference for anyone who wants additional information on this issue. When vacuuming the filter, it's important to understand that only the exterior pre-filter layer should be vacuumed to remove dust, dander, debris, and the like with the shop vac and soft brush extension. The interior of the filter should never be vacuumed because that would create micro tears in the HEPA fiber layer and activated carbon layer and make the filter less effective. It's a very good practice to vacuum the top and bottom rims of the filter and the filter cover, the exterior of the air purifier, and the interior of the air purifier. Reassemble the air purifier as demonstrated. The basic guidance in the manual is to successfully reset the check filter indicator by holding the sleep mode button for 3 seconds, and then the check filter indicator will blink 3 times and then turn off. With this air purifier, sometimes the check filter indicator blinks a few more times after I press the sleep mode button, but the reset is always effective when the check filter indicator turns off. If you found this information helpful, please show support for future presentations by leaving a like and subscribing to this channel. Thank you.